Yes, students. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss the next kind of adjectives. Formation of adjective. How we can frame adjectives with the help of nouns and verbs. So here few adjectives are given, suffix are given, and then they make adjective. How? Because sometimes adjective we can frame with nouns as well. For example, hero, heroic, class, classic. Same way, wind, windy, rain, rainy. Child is also a noun. Child, childish. Fool, foolish. Beautiful, beauty, beautiful. Harm, harm is a verb. Don't harm anyone. Harmful. Read, again it's a verb. Read, readable. Cap, capable. Invisible. So beta, by adding few words at the end we can frame adjectives. Talk, talkative. Act, active. So these are verbs. Use, useful, helpful, colorful. Like, likable, capable. Normal, norm, normal. Music, musical. Anxious, anxious. So anxious is a adjective. Fame, famous. So beta, now we are going to discuss about the degrees of comparison. So beta, these are the degrees we use to make comparison. Means when there is no comparison, we use positive degree. When there is a comparison between two things, we compare two nouns or things, we use comparative degree. And when there is a comparison between more than two person, places, things, we use superlative degree. So beta, positive degree is used when no comparison is made, when there is no comparison. For example, smart. John is a smart boy. I need a big car. Comparative degree is used to compare two nouns. Beta, जब भी comparison होता है between two nouns, we always use comparative degree. And for making comparative degree, what do we use? What do we add? We use R or ER or more, less to most adjectives to form their comparatives. In some cases, a whole new word is used. Now let's take the examples. My house is bigger than yours. So beta, whenever we make comparison between two things, we use than. Than. The earth is larger than the moon. So here we are making comparison between moon and earth. Next is, you are more polite than Deepak. So here polite is positive degree and more polite is comparative degree. More polite, आप दीपक से ज़्यादा polite हो. Petrol cars are less popular than diesel cars. तो less popular means they are not in high demand. ठीक है? तो we have used here less popular. The superlative degree. So बच्चे, superlative degree is used to compare three or more nouns. जब comparison दो से ज़्यादा में होता है, we use superlative degree. It is used to compare one thing against the rest of the group. We either add st or est to the adjectives, or we can also use most or least before adjectives to form superlative degrees. So we use the before the superlative degrees. So as I told you ki it is used before than. Before than we use comparative degree. Wherever comes than, we have to use comparative degree. And it is used after the smallest girl, the most handsome, the best movie. So here these all are the superlative degrees. Jo is the smallest girl in our class. So class में how many students could be in class? 30, 20, 25. So there we have used superlative degree. सैम इज़ द मोस्ट हैंडसम बॉय इन आवर स्कूल। सो यहाँ पे एक बॉय का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है पूरे स्कूल के बॉयज़ के साथ। दिस इज़ द बेस्ट मूवी आई हैव एवर सीन। तो जितनी भी मूवीज़ मैंने अब तक देखी हैं, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट मूवी, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वर्जन। ओके, so beta, how we have to frame comparative and superlative degree? So this is the positive degree. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. For comparative with some adjectives we use er, and here we have used est. Brighter, brightest, cleaner, cleanest, darker, darkest, greater, greatest, right? Poorer, poorest, smaller, smallest, warmer, warmest. Now here we have used again er, est form. So here beta, if you see carefully, look carefully, these words end with e. All these adjectives are ending with e, and we have added only r. Braver, bravest, st. So here we have added only r and st to make comparative degree and superlative degree, and these adjectives end with e. Now if we talk about these, so what we have done, we have doubled the last letters and we have added er and est. So beta, if you see clearly, why we have doubled the letter, because before the last letter we have vowel. So in this case we have to double. Fatter, fattest, hotter, hottest, redder, reddest, sadder, saddest. So here when the adjectives end with y, we have to add ier and iest. Drier, driest, early, earlier, earliest. So beta, by changing y into I, ier, iest, जो nouns, जो adjectives हैं, the adjectives end with y, we have to put ier or iest. Remember this. Happy, so y को reduce किया, we have put ier, iest, happiest. Heavier, heaviest. Silly होते हैं मूर्ख, sillier, silliest. So here we have added more and most. So there are some adjectives. What do we add? More or most, less or least in some adjectives. So beautiful, faithful, difficult, honest, intelligent, we have to add more for making comparison. Comparative degree we have to use more, and for making superlative degree we have to use most. So these words are totally different, these adjectives are totally different. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most, many, more, most. So with these two adjectives make comparative degree as more and superlative degree as most. Far, further, farther, furthest, farthest. तो further भी आ सकता है, furthest भी आ सकता है, farther भी आ सकता है, farthest भी आ सकता है बेटा. So बेटा, so I hope you have understood. Where comes the, we have to use superlative degree, and where comes than, we have to use comparative degree, more or er form. And for superlative degree we have to use most or est form. Or there are some words, they are totally different, means best हो गया, worst हो गया, least हो गया, most हो गया, farthest हो गया, ठीक है. So in this way we have to use these adjectives by taking care of, when there is the in the sentence we have to use est form, and when there is than we have to use second form, comparative degree, and when there is no comparison we have to use positive degree. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.